Oxford Phonics World, Student Book 3, by Kai Schwirmer, Julia Chang, and Craig Wright. Published and copyrighted by Oxford University Press. Disc 2. Page 44. Unit 5. Long E. E, E. A. Listen and learn.
This is a B. What's the ending sound in the word B?
E.
That's right. E. B.
Page 44. B. Listen, point, and read. 1.
B. E. B.
B. E. B.
2.
F. E. T. Feet.
F. E. T. Feet.
3.
S. E. D. Seed.
S. E. D. Seed.
4.
J. E. P. Jeep.
J. E. P. Jeep.
Page 45. C. Listen and write. 1.
Seed. Seed.
2.
Feet. Feet.
3.
B. B.
4.
Jeep. Jeep.
Page 45. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Seed. Jeep. Seed. Jeep. B. Feet. B. Feet. Seed. Jeep. B. Feet. Seed. Jeep. B. Feet. Seed. Jeep. B. Feet. Seed. Jeep. B. Feet. A seed. A seed. A seed. A jeep. A seed. A jeep. A seed. A jeep. A bee with feet. A seed. A jeep. A bee with feet. A seed. A jeep. A bee with feet. A seed. A jeep. A bee with feet.
Page 46. Long E. E. A. A. Listen and learn.
This is a leaf. What's the middle sound in the word leaf?
E.
That's right. E. Leaf.
Page 46. B. Listen, point, and read. 1.
L. E. F. Leaf.
L. E. F. Leaf.
2.
Eat. Eat.
Eat. Eat.
3.
S. E. See.
S. E. See.
4.
M. E. T. Meat.
M. E. T. Meat.
Page 47. C. listen, and circle. Then write. 1,
leaf, leaf.
2,
Meat, meat.
3,
See, see.
4,
Eat, eat.
Page 47. D. Listen and write. 1,
I like to eat cake.
2,
It is a red leaf.
3,
I dive in the sea.
4,
The meat is in a pan.
Page 47. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
See, leaf, eat, meat. 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 See, meat, eat, leaf. See, meat, eat, leaf. See, leaf, eat, meat. See, leaf, eat, meat.
Page 48. Long E. Y. E, Y. A. Listen and learn.
This is candy. What's the ending sound in the word candy?
E.
That's right. E. Candy. This is a key. What's the ending sound in the word key?
E.
That's right. E. Key.
Page 48. B. Listen, point, and read. 1,
A. N. D. E. Candy.
A. N. D. E. Candy.
2,
E. Key.
E. Key.
3,
A. P. E. Happy.
A. P. E. Happy.
4,
M. A. N. E. Money.
M. A. N. E. Money.
Page 49. C. Listen and number. Then match. 1,
Key.
2,
Money.
3,
Happy.
4,
Candy.
Page 49. E. listen, and chant. Then read.
Key, candy, money. Key, candy, money. Key, candy. Key, candy. Candy, money. Candy, money. Key, candy, money. Key, candy, money. I have. I have. I have a key. I have a key. I have a key, candy and money. I have a key, candy and money. I have a key, candy and money. I have a key, candy and money.
Page 50. Long E. E, E. E, A. Y. E, Y. Now try these.
S, E, C. P, A, P, E, puppy. L, E, D, lead. H, A, N, E, honey. P, E, pea.
Were you right?
Page 51. Story. B. Look and listen. Read along. Bees in the sea.
2 bees play in the sea.
1.
I like this leaf.
I like this wave.
2.
I see a key.
I see money.
3.
I see candy.
I see
4.
feet.
Sight words.
Play. See.